Now that the dust is starting to settle after the Galaxy S25 series launch and the rocky rollout of One UI 7, Samsung's already shifting gears and gearing up for its next big reveal. Yup, we're talking about the foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7, and it looks like they might be arriving earlier than expected this year. Over the last few years, Samsung has been quietly tweaking its foldable launch timeline, inching it forward bit by bit. If the rumors are true, 2025 might follow the same pattern, with the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 expected to debut in early July. That's right, foldable season could be kicking off sooner than usual. A fresh report from the Jungang says Samsung is planning to host an Unpacked event in New York this time around. That's a bit of a homecoming, considering the last Unpacked in NYC happened back in 2022 for the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4. Since then, Samsung's been jet-setting around the globe. Unpacked for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 was held in Paris, while the Galaxy S25 got its spotlight in sunny San Jose, California. With July 4th being a major US holiday, Samsung probably won't want to steal America's fireworks thunder. That puts the likely dates for the event somewhere around July 1st, 2nd, or 7th. If they're really feeling the heat of competition, they might push for an even earlier launch to make sure they stay ahead of the curve. So what can we expect from the Galaxy Z Fold 7? While the Z Fold 6 didn't exactly blow people away with its mostly incremental upgrades, the Fold 7 could be where things really start to heat up. It's not expected to be a total redesign, but insiders suggest it'll bring more meaningful improvements than we've seen in the last couple of years. For starters, the Fold 7 is rumored to be Samsung's slimmest foldable ever, possibly clocking in at under 10mm thick when folded. That's a pretty big deal, especially for folks who've been on the fence about foldables due to their bulk. On top of that, it might pack a larger 8-inch inner display, giving users even more room to work, watch, and multitask. And here's where it gets really interesting: camera upgrades. There's buzz that Samsung could be borrowing the 200-megapixel primary sensor from the Galaxy S25 Ultra for the Fold 7. That's some serious photo power. On top of that, we might finally see an improved under-display camera with sharper resolution and better image clarity, something users have been hoping for since the early Fold days. Of course, all of this is still technically rumor territory, and we'll need to wait for more official sources or Samsung's own teaser campaigns to confirm anything. So, what are your expectations from upcoming Z Fold 7? Let us know it down below in the comments section, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until next time, take care.